If you've suffered damage to your home, you want to make sure you're getting the maximum payout for your insurance claim. But many homeowners leave money on the table simply because they don't know the right steps to take. Hi, I'm Mendy with my insurance claim expert, brought to you by Panther Public Adjusting. Today I'll share expert tips on how to maximize your insurance claim and ensure you get every dollar you deserve. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is underreporting their losses. Take detailed photos and video of all the damages before making any repairs. Be very thorough. Document structural damage, personal property losses, and even secondary issues like water or smoke damage that might not be immediately visible. The more evidence you have, the stronger your claim will be. Not all insurance policies are the same. Some cover additional living expenses, debris removal, or code upgrades after a disaster. Understanding the details of your policy can help you claim everything you're entitled to. If you're unsure, a public adjuster can review your policy for you and make sure no potential benefits are overlooked. Insurance adjusters work for the insurance company, which means their estimate may not always reflect the true cost of repairs. Getting an independent estimate from a licensed contractor or a public adjuster can provide a second opinion and help you negotiate a fair payout. If your insurance company offers a settlement quickly, it might be lower than what you actually deserve. Before accepting any offer, make sure you fully understand the extent of the damage and costs. Rushing into a settlement could mean missing out on tens of thousands of dollars. Working with an insurance claim can be overwhelming, and there's many small details and mistakes that can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. That's why hiring a public adjuster from the start can be the best decision you make. At Panther Public Adjusting, we handle everything. We document your loss, negotiate with the insurance company, and make sure you receive the maximum payout. Our expertise levels the playing field and ensures you don't settle for less than you deserve. If you want to maximize your insurance payout and avoid unnecessary fees, contact Panther Public Adjusting today for a free consultation. We work for you, not the insurance company. So let's make sure we get you what you're owed.